Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome Michigan shirt. My husband is a University of Michigan fan, and we found this shirt for my father so that we could get him something to wear during the games so we can convince him to be a University of Michigan fan. You either are or you aren't. So this is a nice t-shirt. It's just a basic, simple t-shirt. It's in a black color. It has the Michigan colors on it, the yellow, and the patchwork here is really, really nice and sturdy. It doesn't come up or anything. It's not raised, which is nice. The stitching is like a double crisscross stitch here, which is great as well. So this is in a size small, and it's just a nice shirt that I think if you're a University of Michigan fan, I definitely think you should check it out. And that is my point of view.